Ever wondered if your digital assets could seamlessly transition into the real-world currency you use every day? It's a question many of us in the crypto space ponder. We talk about Bitcoin and Ethereum, but what about the practicalities? The ability to use your crypto gains to buy groceries, pay rent, or simply have cash in your pocket. This isn't just about a hypothetical future, it's about right now. And if you're holding euros in a platform like Bitwala, also known as Nuggs, this isn't just a possibility, it's a straightforward process. Bitwala was more than just a crypto exchange. It was a bridge between the digital and traditional financial worlds. It offered a unique banking experience, allowing users to manage both their crypto and their euro accounts in one place. While the platform has since undergone significant changes, its legacy of seamless integration remains a topic of interest for those who used it. The core feature that made it so compelling was its ability to convert crypto holdings into euros and then provide a clear pathway for withdrawal. So, how exactly did you get those euros out of your Bitwala account and into your hand? The process was designed to be as user-friendly as possible, leveraging traditional banking infrastructure. It all started within the Bitwala app itself. The first step was to ensure your crypto was converted into euros. This was a simple exchange process, much like any other crypto platform. You'd sell your Bitcoin or Ethereum, and the resulting euros would be credited to your linked euro account within the app. Once the euros were in your account, you had a couple of options for withdrawal, each catering to different needs. The most common method was a standard SEPA, Single Euro Payments Area, bank transfer. This was a free and reliable way to move funds to any other bank account in the SEPA zone. All you needed was the IBAN and BIC/SWIFT code of your target bank account. You'd simply initiate a withdrawal request, enter the details, and the funds would typically arrive within a few business days. It was the digital equivalent of a wire transfer, but faster and without the hefty fees often associated with international transfers. Another option was to use the Bitwala debit card. This was perhaps the most direct way to access your funds. The card, which was a Visa debit card, was linked directly to your euro account. You could use it for online purchases, in-store transactions, or, most importantly, to withdraw physical cash from ATMs. This provided immediate access to your funds, turning your digital balance into tangible cash you could use anywhere in the world that accepted Visa. The ATM withdrawal process was just like using any other debit card, giving you a tangible connection to your digital assets. Bitwala's approach was a testament to the idea that crypto doesn't have to exist in a silo. It demonstrated how these new financial technologies could integrate with existing systems to provide a truly practical and functional financial experience. The process of withdrawing euros wasn't just about moving money, it was about realizing the utility and value of your digital holdings in the real world. It was a crucial step in the journey from a curious investor to a confident user of decentralized finance. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.